Hello everyone, welcome to a new Attendo video. In this video, we'll walk you through the crucial steps involved in setting up a client in Attendo, ensuring that you configure all the necessary information accurately for seamless organizational structure and accounting. Before setting up a client in Attendo, it is necessary to install the localization bundle corresponding to the country where the client belongs so as to apply specific data related to aspects such as translations, charts of accounts, and taxes setup. In case the localization for your country is not available, this data must be entered manually. Remember, you can find available localization bundles in our marketplace. Once this is done, the initial client setup, explained in this video, can be run by a user under the role of system administrator. The information to be entered in this case is related to names, currency, and accounting data. The initial client setup process is essential in Attendo as it is the basis for the client's organizational structure and accounting schema. As mentioned before, this process can be accessed by logging in as a system administrator, and it allows you to define important information about the client and to set up the chart of accounts, which is a list of all the accounts used in an organization's general ledger. The use of this window is recommended in case the same chart of accounts applies to all the organizations belonging to the client. In case of entering a different chart of accounts for each specific organization, the window to use is Initial Organization Setup instead of this one. See the corresponding documentation to know more about this window. To begin, you'll need to enter basic data about the client. This information is entered in the Initial Client Setup window, where the user enters the client's name, username, the base currency for the client, which will be used across all organizations belonging to the client, and the password for this user. In the same window, the accounting section is found. Here, it's recommended to check the Include Accounting checkbox, which prompts you to select an accounting schema to be applied in all the organizations belonging to this client. For this, it is possible to upload an accounting file with the chart of accounts in CSV format in the accounting file field. This step is further explained in the description below, and it is carried out by an accounting expert. However, if the localization bundle for your country is available, the first option is to choose among the accounting schemas listed in the reference data section, since these datasets were previously installed with the corresponding bundle. In this example, the possible options are a general accounting schema or one tailored for small and medium-sized enterprises. This will depend on the structure of the organizations you are setting up. In this example, we chose the general chart of accounts for a Spanish organization with the Spanish localization bundle installed. In the reference data list, there are some additional datasets that are important for the initial client setup, such as standard document types for orders, invoices, etc. This one, for example, is key since setting standard document types helps avoid inconsistent numbering issues across different organizations. As you can see, there are other datasets that are also available for further installation. Once all the necessary options are selected, the configuration is ready. As shown here, using the configured information, now you can log in as Client 1 with the selected credentials. You can go to the General Ledger Configuration and Account Tree windows. There, you'll find the corresponding chart of accounts installed in this example. With this information, the user should be able to carry out the proper configuration of a new client for its use in Attendo. For more information, visit the link in the description below. That's all for now. See you in the next video.